Annually, over 100 million gallons of windshield cleaner are used in the US alone, packed with chemicals and wrapped in plastic. Each bottle contributes not only to environmental degradation, but also digs deeper into your wallet. Commercial cleaners often contain ammonia and phosphates, notorious for harming aquatic life when they wash into rivers and streams. The production and disposal of these plastic bottles further burden our already struggling ecosystems. But what if there was a cleaner, greener, and cheaper alternative? And today, you'll learn how to make your own windshield cleaner with just 3 household ingredients. Let's dive into why each component is essential. First, water serves as the foundation of our cleaner. It dilutes and helps distribute the other ingredients evenly across the windshield. Next, we introduce vinegar. Vinegar is truly a powerhouse in cleaning. Thanks to its acidity, it effortlessly cuts through dirt and grime, and best of all, it does so without leaving any streaks behind. This makes it perfect for glass surfaces like your car's windshield. Lastly, a drop of dish soap is crucial. It plays a pivotal role in lifting oil and other sticky residues from the glass, ensuring that your windshield isn't just clean, but also gleams without any greasy films. Now, let's put these ingredients together. Start by mixing 1 cup of distilled water with 1 cup of white vinegar. The equal parts ensure a balanced solution that effectively handles typical windshield dirt and pollutants. After this, add just a drop of dish soap to the mix. It's important to stir this mixture gently. Vigorous stirring can create too many suds, making it harder to apply evenly. Once your mixture is ready, carefully pour it into a spray bottle. A quick note on why we use distilled water: it's free from minerals that tap water usually contains, which means no unsightly mineral deposits on your windshield after cleaning. And voila, your homemade windshield cleaner is ready to use. Imagine never having to buy windshield cleaner again. Now that you've seen just how easy it is to whip up your own eco-friendly mixture, why not give it a shot? This isn't just about mixing vinegar, water, and a squirt of dish soap. It's about embracing a lifestyle choice that benefits both your wallet and the planet. Making your own windshield cleaner is not only cost-effective, which means you're spending pennies on the dollar compared to store-bought options, but it's also a stride towards sustainability. By choosing this DIY route, you reduce the demand for single-use plastics and decrease chemical runoff that can harm our environment. And let's talk convenience. It takes less than 5 minutes to make. Yes, in the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee, you could have a ready-to-use cleaner that's just as effective, if not more, than what you typically buy. Give it a try and share your experience in the comments below. Did it work for your car? Any tweaks to the recipe?